Whenever you disassemble an engine, cleaning, inspecting, and packaging components is critical to both ensuring an accurate estimated cost for the rebuild, as well as the ability to more easily reassemble the engine afterwards. Before beginning, refer to the OEM's service literature for the correct disassembly procedures. Not following these procedures can result in costly mistakes. Once a component is removed from the engine, clean it with solvent, detergent, and/or compressed air as appropriate. You'll also need to do a thorough inspection of the component to assess its reusability. Performing this step is essential while disassembling, so an accurate rebuild cost can be given to the customer. Failure to properly assess the serviceability of components often results in inaccurate estimates, which can cost either your employer or the customer. If you do find that a component can be reused, place it in plastic wrap to protect against damage until you're ready to reassemble. Lastly, keep in mind that OEMs recommend that some parts need to be reinstalled in the same location they were removed from, such as rocker shafts or valve bridges. Label these components with the exact location from where they were removed.